I'm DavidPobiak. I'm from Miami, Florida. I give NABIS permission to use these clips for informational and media purposes. Today is October 5th, 2018. I'm DavidPobiak. I'm the Director of Strategic Alliance and Media Relations for NABIS Group. We're very excited to see the results of our NABIS system, which has only been deployed for 3 days here on a canal in Cape Coral, Florida. The results are pretty astounding compared to what we observed 3 days prior when we deployed. When we put our hoses in the water, both our intake and our outtake hoses, we could barely see the hoses. Now we can actually see the hoses within 2 feet or more. The oxygen levels have increased from 3 to 6 as of today, which is a large, very impressive number. So that's eventually going to be bringing back the wildlife, the fish, as well as the waterfowl, which we've already witnessed within the last hour here on Friday, the 5th of October. And on top of that, we are looking to deploy this technology once we're done here in other locations, not only here on the West Coast, but now on the East Coast, from Miami to Palm Beach. I'm currently in talks with several university systems here in Florida to address the issue of the blue-green algae and the red tide in various parts of the state, including some very well-known local universities in Miami as well as in Tampa. They are very excited based on our findings and results from previous tests in Fort Myers as well as in South Carolina. We know the technology, we know what we have, we know it works, and it's just a matter of partnering with the right universities in this case. Some of the other areas that we're looking into using the NABIS system besides algae remediation and red tide remediation are 3 sectors. One being the agricultural sector, which would be focused towards the harvest, increasing yields using our water technology. And number 2, actually cleaning up the water supply for the animals, such as livestock, such as pigs and cows, for example. And also, too, while we're at it, we would then be also treating the wastewater ponds at these facilities, which is a major issue. Secondly is municipal water supply, where we will be treating and cleaning the water before it makes its way back to the homes and businesses. Thirdly would be the actual sewage treatment plants, where we would treat the water or aid in the cleaning of the water before it's made its way back into the water supply.